Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into something that's close to my heart, creating a sustainable and eco-friendly garden in your backyard. Whether you're a beginner gardener or looking to take your garden to the next level, I'll be sharing tips to make your garden more sustainable, reduce waste, and nurture the environment. Let's get started. So why go sustainable? Well, a sustainable garden is all about working with nature, not against it. It helps conserve water, reduces the need for chemical fertilizers, and creates a habitat for beneficial insects and birds. Plus, it can save you money in the long run and even boost your garden's productivity. It's a win-win for you and the planet. The first step in creating a sustainable garden is to plan your layout thoughtfully. Consider the sun exposure, wind patterns, and water flow in your backyard. Place water-loving plants in lower areas where water naturally collects and drought-tolerant plants in higher areas. This helps ensure that each plant thrives with minimal watering. A tip here is to plant native species that are well adapted to your local climate. They require less water and maintenance compared to exotic plants, and they support local wildlife. One of the best ways to improve soil health is through composting. Start a compost bin with kitchen scraps like vegetable peels, coffee grounds, and eggshells. You can also add garden waste like leaves, grass clippings, and small twigs. Over time, this will break down into nutrient-rich compost that you can use to enrich your soil, reducing the need for chemical fertilizers. Make sure to turn your compost pile every few weeks to speed up the decomposition process. And remember, no meat, dairy, or oily foods. Stick to plant-based scraps.
Know you've been a good friend.
Mulching is a game changer for sustainable gardening. Spread a layer of organic mulch like straw, wood chips, or leaf mold around your plants. It helps to retain moisture, reduce soil erosion, and suppress weeds. Mulch can also gradually break down, adding nutrients back into the soil. This simple step can significantly cut down on your watering needs and keep your garden thriving even during dry spells. Did you know you can use rainwater to reduce your garden's water consumption? Installing a rain barrel is an easy way to collect rainwater from your roof. You can use this water for watering your plants or cleaning gardening tools. Just make sure to use a covered barrel to keep mosquitoes away. By using rainwater, you not only save on your water bill, but also reduce the demand on local water supplies. Next up is companion planting. This involves planting certain crops together to repel pests and boost plant health. For example, marigolds can help keep aphids away from tomatoes, and basil can deter pests from your peppers. Companion planting reduces the need for chemical pesticides, making your garden safer for you and beneficial insects like bees and butterflies. It's a natural way to promote a healthy ecosystem in your garden. Sustainability is also about reducing waste. Reuse old containers as planters, use leftover wood to build raised beds, or repurpose glass jars for seed storage. You can even create your own DIY drip irrigation system using old plastic bottles. By finding ways to reuse materials, you cut down on waste and create unique, personalized touches in your garden. To create a truly eco-friendly garden, think about the wildlife too. Plant a variety of pollinator-friendly flowers like lavender, coneflowers, and sunflowers. These attract bees, butterflies, and other beneficial insects, which help with pollination and improve fruit and vegetable yields. You can also add a bird bath or a small water feature to provide water for birds and insects. It's a beautiful addition that supports local biodiversity. Finally, avoid using chemical pesticides and fertilizers. Instead, opt for organic alternatives like neem oil, insecticidal soaps, or garlic sprays for pest control. For fertilizers, try compost tea, fish emulsion, or seaweed extract. These are effective and won't harm beneficial insects or the environment. Remember, sustainable gardening is about creating a balance. Let nature do its work, and intervene only when necessary. So there you have it, your guide to creating a sustainable and eco-friendly garden right in your backyard. By adopting these practices, you're not only reducing your carbon footprint, but also creating a healthier, more resilient garden that gives back to the environment. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening content. Drop a comment below if you have any sustainable gardening tips of your own. Until next time, happy gardening.